Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting with the video already playing. First, make sure playback controls are visible by tapping or moving your mouse. Once done, look for the CC badge or the gear icon on desktop. On mobile, expand the three-dot menu. You do this because subtitles are toggled from those overlays. If you see multiple languages listed right away, pause and note which one is active before changing anything so you can revert if needed. Now you'll open the Captions or Subtitles option and choose Off. On desktop, click Settings right arrow Subtitles /CC right arrow off, and on mobile tap Subtitles and pick Off. If subtitles were auto-generated, confirm you disabled the auto-generated label since it's a separate toggle. Make sure to check Auto-Translate too. If that's enabled, turn it off or set it back to the original language. Doing this prevents captions from reappearing unexpectedly during playback. Finish by playing the video briefly to confirm captions are gone. If they persist, reload the page or close and reopen the app to apply the setting. Make sure your account or device accessibility captions aren't forcing subtitles. Check system settings on iOS, Android, or Windows. If the problem continues, sign out and back into YouTube or update the app. These steps reset cached preferences. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.